welcome back. I've got a massive haul today. I might actually split it because there's that much. I haven't done one for a week or two, so yeah, a lot has caught up with me. But let's get going and I'll show you my latest hoard. I'm excited to try this. I have a few little figurines that I wanted to have a go. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy that. Oh, they never go back in the box, do they? Oh, there's some stirring sticks in this as well. Oh, that's cool. They sent you a couple of stirring sticks too. But I saw this on Steve McDonald and I just thought I really need to try that. And I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for it to be available in the UK. And now it finally is. So if you want your brush on silicone, it's now available. I have another Amazon here. Oh, I haven't even opened this one, but I know what it is, so now watch. Oh yeah. My dear friend Amy from Resin Art by Amy is going to teach me how to do blooms because I've never tried it, and she recommended the Let's Resin alcohol inks. So yeah, it may end up a horrible mess, who knows, but I'm going to give it a go because you know, you don't know unless you try. I also got the Let's Resin kit for bonding. Just muting the dogs there. I wish you could do it in real life. Oh, it has charge too. Excellent. That's a cute little pen. That's also for doing the blooms. I'm hoping that I can at least, oh, it's digital, try and control the temperature a little bit. JDiction epoxy resin. Now this is on offer at the moment. I also got the extra 10% off because I ordered 2 things. So yeah, it's a good deal. I'll put up after what I got it for, but it was cheaper than usual for such a huge bottle. I think it was only about 20 odd quid. So yeah, I'm going to try that one. Hello, voiceover me here. These packages were like way too crinkly and noisy, so I just thought I'll do a voiceover for this little bit so it's not too annoying. I know myself when I watch some videos and it's like overpowering, and once you notice it, you really notice it. So yeah, that's a nice mermaid's tail there. And some lovely seahorses. Those molds are really good quality and they were only cheap. And then there's some more there with little starfish. I mean, I have a huge stash of like seaside stuff. And I keep buying it. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to start making my own. I mean, I bought this for something I was going to do, but unfortunately not doing it anymore. Oh, another Temu package there. Well, a Temu package. Let's see what we've got. Oh, what a surprise. More seaside stuff. Again, I'm building up quite the stash of that now. I think the next one is a crab. Yeah, I think I said in one of my videos I really wanted a crab for my little rock pool, so I ordered one. Bit late now, but you know, I might do another. Oh, and that's a little house. I think it's like a fondant mould, but it's got loads of little shells in and stuff, and it looked really cute in the picture, so I'm going to give it a go. Might be nice to like apply to something or just have it on a little stand or something, because I don't think it'll stand up on its own. Oh, and that's another one there with lots of lots of loads. Lots of little shells and stuff in there. And again, really cute. They were actually lit up on the photos in Temu. I don't know how they managed that, but yeah, I'll have a go at making something with them. Oh, that's a seahorse. Fell in love with that. I just thought it was so cute. And it's a decent size as well. It's not too small. As we all know, sometimes you get stuff from Temu and it's either like absolutely massive or tiny. Oh, more whales and a little sea waves there. Again, for the same project, which I ended up not doing. So there will be a lot of seaside themed stuff coming in the next months or so. Oh, more turtles for my stash. I'm getting quite the stash now. I've got a good jar full. Oh, these are gorgeous. I spotted these and actually I was really surprised because they're actually bigger than I thought they were, which I'm really happy about because they're a decent size. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Little mermaids. Now, they were only cheap. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, cheap as anything. And there's loads in the pack. They're all the same. I'll try my best to put some links up from where I can find so that you can have a look at these. But their mermaids were definitely, I was expecting them to be smaller for the price. Oh yeah, little seahorses. I thought they were cute. They're very similar in the same sort of range as those turtles there. I think they're meant to be for like bracelets and jewellery because they all have holes in, but you know, that's easily disguised. Oh, I think this is some more seahorses, but more pretty, more glittery type ones. Yeah, they've got like a lovely iridescence on them. They're beautiful. I just thought they would be really nice attached to something or added to something, you know. Oh, more there, I think. Yeah, see what? Starfish. Took me a while there to register. I think I got a few in them blue. Yeah, I did. I think there's yeah, another one. I think I got quite a few of the starfish just to build my collection up because I didn't have many. Oh, another mould. Yeah, to make my own. That's interesting though because it's clear, so I thought it might be cool for UV. Make things up quickly, you know. Oh, and yet another one. Oh, them fish are cute. Yeah, and the dolphin. So yes, I'm really going to be doing some seaside stuff. Oh, more seaside stuff. I think there's just various like little wood shapes in there. I think there's a little fish there. I think there's shells as well coming up. Will I show you? Yeah. I just thought they were nice, and they were, as I say, they were only like pennies, really. You don't pay a fortune, do you? That's where they get you, though, isn't it? You end up with a lot of little things that don't cost a fortune. Before you know it, you've spent 50 quid. But you know what? We all like to do our thing, don't we? And I don't do anything else really with my life. I don't spend a lot of money. I don't drink. I don't smoke. What do you do? Oh God, I can't believe that come in my head. So yeah, me crafting is what I do. Oh, some stickers there. They're a bit cartoony, but I just thought they might be alright for something, you know. They look quite nice when I looked at them on Temu, but no, I'm not so sure, but I'm sure I'll find something to do with them. Yeah, I don't know if anyone knows, but I'm a huge Supernatural fan and I'm busy doing a collage because I went to see them at Liverpool Comic Con. So I've got loads of photos. I met quite a lot of the cast, so yeah, I was like a teenager, totally fangirling over Jensen Ackles, but come on, Dean Winchester, man. Oh, these, yeah. They appeal to me vintage side of me. I've got a lot of like 50s and 60s themed stuff, which I plan to do at some point. Yeah, another one there. I'll just love all that type of stuff. It's very me. No, what's this one? It's been a while since I filmed this. Oh, yes, I think I know what it is. It's a mermaid sitting on a rock. You can't tell by the mould there. And it is a split mould. So I'm going to have to be super careful with that. But I'm sure it'll be lovely if it works. Because my luck with seaside things and split moulds have not been very good lately. Yeah, so lots of exciting things to make for the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Oh, there's my sticker again. So bye for now and take care, everyone.